Hello, today I want to show you this beautiful property for sale near Broćanac. It's along a stream, it has this old watermill, it has a comfortable house and 23,000 square meters of land, so I think you're going to enjoy this. Let's have a look. So let's have a look in this beautiful place, full of flowers, even in August. Beautiful buildings and a comfortable house. So here in front of the house we have a very cozy terrace stretching to both sides. So now we're from the front door in the hallway, which has nice stones from Velebit on the floor, and immediately to the right we have the bathroom with a shower, a toilet and a sink and a bidet. Here we have a bedroom which is about to be painted, so the furniture has been put in the middle of the room. Nice wooden beams as a ceiling. Here we have the staircase going down to the cellar. We will also see it from below. And here on the left we have a beautiful living room with a very beautiful fireplace. Also the nice wooden beams are continued on this side of the house. And here we have the kitchen, handmade by the owner, who enjoyed woodworking a lot. Then here we have the sitting area. And behind the kitchen is the staircase. Also a wooden staircase. Upstairs we have 2 bedrooms. So in total we have 3 in this building. The wooden finishing continues to the upper floor. Here we have the bathroom with a shower, toilet and a sink. A hallway between the bedrooms and the 3rd bedroom. Nicely spacious. So let's make our way back outside. I want to show you pretty much everything, so we're going to make quite a walk, so that if you are interested in this place, you know what to expect and what is included. So this is the stream, and the stream has dried up because we're in midsummer. So for 1 to 2 months per year the stream is like this. I will also put some video material that I took in January when the stream was in full flow, so that you can see that as well. So here we have the field across the stream. An elongated field with meadow and trees around it. So in total there are 23,000 square meters included. The owner also uses some land that is owned by the government, which is adjacent to the parts that she owns herself. So down here the stream would flow, while on the left we have the slope going to the neighboring land. Today we have a windy day, and straight ahead you can see the nice view on the nearby hills. And here we have a field that's also in use by the owner, which is owned by the government. And here we have what usually is the stream. So the stream passes down there. Okay, let's continue. So now we're crossing the land from the government. And then we'll come to the front of the pathway leading to the house, where we have along that pathway more meadows that are included in the property. So now we're reaching the newly made asphalt road. So this is the access road to the property. From here the land is on the right. Then we will cross the bridge across the stream. The source of the stream is just a little to the left, very close to this point. Now we're on the bridge with the stream usually running below. Here we have the private road leading up to the house and the old watermill. And here we have the meadow, which is included in the property. So we will follow this meadow to reach the orchard. Beautiful views around. So all of this land up to the taller trees on the left is included in this property. And then the area where the trees, where it has been cleaned between the trees, is also included. Plenty of wood is being harvested from this land. The owners in the over 20 years that I have lived here have never had to buy wood. They've always been able to get the wood from their own land. Okay, now we're reaching the orchard with dozens of plum trees and other species as well. So here we have the orchard. We're now walking on the side of the house again, so we've already made a circle. Now we'll continue to the other side of the property. So at the lower level there's more orchard. We're now at the upper level. Okay, more orchard. Beautiful apple trees and pears. So now we've reached the edge of the property on this side. Here below it continues a little bit further up to where it has been mown. And here's a pathway which goes down to the waterfalls. Now right now there's no water, so there are no waterfalls. So I'll put a few shots I took in January to show you the potency of these waterfalls. So the land here on the left, the little strip up to the stream, is owned by the government. And up here it's included in the property. And now we've reached the back of the fairy tale house. And we're back in the center of the property with the beautiful flowers. Neatly maintained garden. And the nicely done pathways. So I would like to show you the private road from this side. So from here it continues up to the asphalt road. And then down here we have what used to be the channel leading water to the watermill. I'm standing in it right now, so here along these stones, here the water used to flow to the watermill, and it's possible to reinstate this. by digging out this channel and by rebuilding the little dam that was on this side where the channel and the stream used to split up. So now we're effectively on an old island between the stream and the channel. So here the stream and the channel used to split, coming from the stream over there, and then the stream would continue here on this side all the way to the bridge that we crossed earlier along the Watermill. So I hope I'm giving you a good impression of this property by showing you everything. Of course, all the details of this property are on my website, plitvicepropertycroatia.com, and the link to this property on my website is below the video. So there you can see the pictures, all the measurements and the price. So now we're back at the Watermill. From the channel the water used to drop here and go below the building. And now we're walking along the stream. So, last but not least, here we have the cellar of the main house. Here's a staircase going to the ground floor, and here we have a very nice workshop, storage space, plenty of space here for things that you want to remain cool. And here's a backup system for the water. The house has water from the village system, and this also always works. The owner never had any issues with the water, but just in case they have this backup system to make sure that they have 1000 liters to bridge any gaps that may occur. Then here, below this wall, this area makes a great vegetable garden. The owner used to have a vegetables here, so that one is a very fertile place for the vegetables. Yeah, and this is the property I wanted to show you today. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Here we have the stream flowing down towards the house and the mill along the road.